Fuck you guys. I smoke weed and I do.
Can you see my faith in it?
Like half of it.
Alright! I'm Levi! This is 2013 bike check. Hey! Shh! Don't. Yeah, okay, so start from the top. Start from the bottom now. Have Tom Dugan grips with Odyssey BMX power ends, McNeil chrome bars, Colony chrome stem. Today I just picked up the McNeil Bikes Inc. Headset and all the bearings and whatnot on the inside. I have McNeil forks, and the reason I like them is because they're a good weight and they have a ball off on the end, so that's pretty cool. Frame, Colony and Devour 2013 in Purple Storm. It's pretty sick. Got a nice little Van sticker on it. Odyssey Twisted PCs in Midnight Blue or something like that, so they're pretty cool. Stock cranks with the Devour 2013. Stock sprocket, Colony obviously. KMC chain. Another thing I got today, United 2013 seat. I like it a lot so far, and gold McNeil seat post. And yeah, so that's pretty cool. Then I got new rims recently. They're like my favorite part of the bike, and I wasn't sure how the white spokes were going to turn out, but they turned out nice. So I got Odyssey Aerospace rims with regular 3-ride spokes, which is where I ordered them off of the website or whatever. An E-Clad dynamic rear hub, and I like it because it has 120 engagement points, so little hub test for you, and when you get her going, she really growls, so it's pretty sick, I mean. So same thing on the front, except my front hub is E-Clad Tech, and I like it because there's no walls on it. The spokes actually go right into the hub, so that's pretty sweet. I also have 3-bike pegs, whatever bottom brackets, no one cares. They're bearings, who gives a crap. G-Sport gland didn't fit on this hub, it's not meant for it, so I drilled the crap out of the middle of it, threw it on there, and she works like a dandy. So yeah, that's pretty much it, I think. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. West,
Too close.
west side? Yeah, bye. McNeil bars, Colony stem, and Grayson. Colony and Devour 2013 frame. Odyssey Aerospace rims. McNeil seat post. United seat. Odyssey Twisted PCs.